Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bank of America Merrill Edge investment account, secure access step by step clearly. To log into your Bank of America Merrill Edge investment account, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Bank of America Merrill Edge website URL and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see two fields, one for your online ID and another for your passcode. Enter your online ID in the first field. Double-check your input for accuracy. Next, enter your passcode in the second field. Again, review your input to ensure it is correct. After entering both your online ID and passcode, click on the Sign In button below the fields. If your information is correct, you will be granted access to your Merrill Edge investment account. In case you forget your online ID or passcode, click on the Forgot ID/passcode link provided on the login page. Follow the prompts to recover your information securely. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your account dashboard. This is where you can manage your investments, review account balances, and access various tools. Always ensure you log out of your account after each session, especially on shared devices. Close the browser window to ensure your session is fully secured. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.